Hi, my name is Émilie Robert. I have been studying physiotherapy for nearly 2 years at Montmorency College. In this program, the goal is to learn to help people recover and gain optimal physical skills by applying physiotherapy treatments such as electrotherapy, strengthening exercises, hydrotherapy, massages, and others. We start by building a good help relationship with the patient and establish goals for short and long-term treatments. I decided to make this tutorial about l'Ordre professionnel de la physiothérapie du Québec because it has the most complete website about physiotherapy. This order also assures the public protection and high-quality treatments. I think it is important for the patient to have a website that guarantees them the best for their rehabilitation. First of all, you have to enter the URL in the address bar so you automatically enter the right page. The website has his logo in the top left corner here. If you click on it, it is simply going to refresh the page, but you can also click on the refresh button to do it. Then you can scroll down the page with the scroll bar on the right-hand side of the screen to see the navigation menu. There's 3 main icons on this page: the public, the member, and the order. If you want to know better about physiotherapy, you can click on the public icon in the top left corner of the screen. There is now going to be a new navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen to give you all information the public needs. You can know better about the protection you have, what is physiotherapy, the treatments and benefits, the 2 different professions in this field, and the professional fees, and where you can have access to the care. You can now click on the logo in the top left corner of the screen to go back to the home page. If you now click on the member icon in the top of the screen in the middle, you will automatically redirected to the member area where you can find information about obtaining your license, but this is only useful if you are a physiotherapist or a physical therapist. Finally, if you go back to home page and click on the last icon in the top left corner of the screen, the order, you will now get information about the president, the role, the mission, the history, the board of directors, and the team. And if you are looking for a professional, there is also this map on the right-hand side of the screen that will help you find the perfect physiotherapist or physical therapist for your needs. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time for another website tutorial.